In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to use the music player app by DD Music. Very simple and easy. So when you download the app on Google Play Store, you just allow it to get access to your audios and then your downloads on the mobile phone. Simple. You just tap on allow and you refresh the app. I've already done that. Good. So when you hop on here, you can see DD Music at your top left corner of your screen, top right corner of your screen. The first button is setting. Just tap on that. Good. You can scan your music, you can make some 1 2 3 changes, and it has a video player too as well. Yeah, so you can turn off notifications, you can turn it on, you can change the language on the app, you can pause and detach. Good. Just like every music player. Very simple. So now let me try opening a song. I'm not going to play it, but I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So at the top left corner of the screen is the shuffle if you want to be shuffling songs. Good. And then your top right corner of your screen too is when you want to repeat a particular song. Yeah, so I turn on repeat now. So when you tap on the love there, it means you add the song to your favorite. Yeah, you can tap on the 10 at the left and right to just forward the song you are listening to. You can get the lyrics of the song. You can see bottom middle of your screen, get the lyrics of the song. If you want to be seeing the songs that are next that you want to play, you can see them here too as well. Viewing songs is one of the amazing features. But then most of the music players, they are pro versions, or they are available on the pro versions, but on here you're going to get it for free. Yeah, very simple. You can add a timer, sleep timer and all that, just like you have on your Spotify and all that. It's very simple and easy to use. When you tap on the three dots too, you can get access to edit some stuff on the song, and delete it. You can add it to your ringtone, you can change cover photo and all that of the song. Yeah, so it's very simple and easy to use. This is how the interface looks like. You can stream music and videos too as well. Yeah, so that's it on how to use the music player. So this case, if you have Spotify and the rest on your app, but then you want a music player that's going to help you play songs offline, I think the music player by DD Music is something I'm going to recommend. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.